Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-350 Platinum Dually. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a lovely 6.7 liter PowerScope turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the FX4 Off-Road Package, fifth wheel hitch prep package, and the camper package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, a nice 8-foot box with a Bedliner, tailgate step, side bed steps as well, the dual rear wheels. We do get power-deployable running boards, pretty nice to get into your vehicle. We do get a keyless entry keypad, fully powered trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light indicated, or side view camera, turn light spotlight indicated, mud flaps on the front. And move to the front, we got front park sensing, license plate bracket, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, some blue suede, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, flat fold storage system, cup holders, heated back seats with rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space with a split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat as well as massaging. Same leather interior we saw in the back there. Powered passenger and massaging passenger seat. Plenty of door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. Power folding mirrors. Memory seat for up to 3 drivers. Lights, tailgate spotlights. Parking brake, pedal adjusters. Power adjustable steering wheel column, all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 18 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Digital speedometers, you got your RPMs, my view, trip and feel, your heads-up display, gauges, off-road towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got tons of storage, wireless charging with some outlets, and it does close. Cup holders if need be, you get 2 more. Center console with the Platinum logo. Storage below. We do get 4-wheel drive modes, trailer brake, Pro Trailer Assist with dual climate up front, heated and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel, 12 volt and 120 storage above, below, on the dash with 6 Upfitter switches. You can set up however you please. A nice powered rear window opener. Our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, garage door transmitter, engine brake and hill, traction hazards, 360 view where you can go for different camera angles. Here's your bed camera, pretty nice for those to keep an eye on your bed stuff. Looking here, we have our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, with your phone controls right here. Navigation, search recent saved, have your audio open at the same time. Fave apps such as messaging, email. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto settings. Here's your massaging seats for the driver and passenger, perfect for those long car rides. And your features of the vehicle, running boards, onboard scale, smart hitch, owner's manual, and all that fun. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE24470, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.